Alright guys, still cold out here. We got the cylinder heads, head studs, all torqued down. Started 25 foot-pounds, then went to 50, and went to 70. Stock multi-layer steel head gaskets sprayed with copper, both sides. Let them get tacky and throw them on. This side, that back bolt on either side is tight. And by tight I mean nickel and dime it to torque it. Everything else is pretty easy. So you got the nice Texas Speed one-piece chrome moly push rods in. Head gasket cardboard makes a handy intake cover, as well as cheat sheet for torque sequence. Coming along, I'm going to get underneath here and check the oil pan clearance. Should be fine. I'm just going to check it a little closer, and may do some more little wiring and cut down the return hose. It's over there, somewhere over there. It needs to be cut down. This needs to be 3 or 4 inches. And that's that. Heads are on. Stay tuned.